How to change phone number on Halifax online bank account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can change your phone number on the Halifax Bank account. For this, open up any web browser and head over to halifax.co.uk. Now click on the sign in option. That will redirect you to another page. On this page, you have the login portal. Go ahead and enter your username. Then you want to enter your password. Once you have entered both the details, if you want your user ID to be remembered, check this box. However, only do this if you are using a personal computer. Now click on the continue option. If all of your details are correct, you will be successfully signed into your account. Once you have been logged in, you want to find your profile, which is located on the top right corner of your homepage. Now click on the option of Update Contact Details. There, you will find the option to change your phone number. Simply enter your new phone number in the provided field. Make sure to double check the number for accuracy. Now, you want to follow the prompts to confirm your changes. You may need to enter a security code sent to your new phone number or answer security questions. Once you have confirmed your new number, save the changes. If you encounter any issue during this process, you can directly contact the Halifax customer service. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.